UZAPOINT. UZAPOINT is an enterprise resource planning tool that helps you to automate your business processes. It's more than just a point of sale. It gives you tools to manage your inventory, connect with your suppliers and customers, generate reports to help you get meaningful insights to your business, and much more. It's simple, convenient, secure, and affordable. Let's get you started to experience UZAPOINT. On your browser, search for uzapoint.com and click on Free Trial. On the page you're redirected to, fill in your details. For the purpose of this video, I will fill in John as my first name, Doe as a last name, support@uzapoint.com, as the email address, and 0745434924 as my phone number. Proceed to fill in the password of your choice and confirm the password. Type in your business name, and enter the location of your business. In case you've been signed up by an agent, click here to type in the agent code. Proceed to read the terms of use and the privacy policy. Once you have accepted, click on I agree and click the sign up button. An activation code will be sent to the email address you registered with. You can check the email on the updates section. Copy the code and click the verify account button. On the page you're redirected to, paste the code and click the activate button. Once the account has been successfully activated, you will be redirected to choose the subscription package of your choice. The silver package is limited to 1 terminal, 1 user, and up to 1,000 products. The gold package is limited to 2 terminals, up to 5 users, and up to 2,000 products. The platinum package, on the other hand, is limited to 3 terminals, up to 10 users, and up to 3,000 products. In case your requirements are more than the one supported by the Platinum package, contact our support team for assistance. To buy package, click on Buy Package and follow the instructions to make your payment. You can pay via credit card or the mobile money transfer supported in your country. For instance, M-Pesa for Kenya. No commitment is required. Hence, you won't be tied to any subscription payment commitment. Note that you can choose to pay the subscription either monthly or annually. The annual packages have a subsidized fee. For example, the silver package will be 500 shillings less, about $5. The gold package will have 2,000 shillings less, and in the platinum package, instead of paying 24,000, you get to pay 20,000 shillings. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will try the Platinum free trial. Click to continue. Select the type of your business, whether you're a retailer or a distributor. Select your business category, whether you sell products or provide services. Select your business subcategory, in this case, food stuff. Click on Get Started. Congratulations, your account is up and running. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet on the next video to get to learn how to configure your business details.